Are you ready for this? Oh my god! What is up, guys? Welcome back to the neighborhood. Today's gonna be kind of a different video than what I've posted before. And honestly, I want to start getting more videos up on this channel. A lot has been going on in my life and I haven't been uploading as much as I wanted to this year. Well, it's towards the end of the year, thank God. I'm ready to get 2020 out of the way. But a lot has changed. I moved into a new place. I left a 7-year relationship. Changed a lot in my job and all kinds of stuff. But today we're doing an unboxing for a gift that was sent to me by Cyberpunk and Rockstar. I don't know if you guys heard, but they did some kind of collaboration recently where if you buy their drinks, you can use codes on the drinks to get stuff in the game with the codes that you get. I don't know if the codes are on the bottom of the drink or on the top. I'm not quite sure. I've seen a few other people unbox this, but I'm still not sure, 100% sure what's in it. Hopefully there's some Cyberpunk merch because I could use that, and I'm really excited for the game to come out. It comes out tomorrow. I'm actually filming this the day before, and I kind of got lucky because they sent this out about a month ago, maybe a month and a half ago, and I've just been so busy in my life that I just didn't have time to open it. But then they delayed the game and everybody was like, oh no, Cyberpunk delayed again. So perfect timing to unbox it as the new official date of it coming out. For this box, I know what you're thinking. It looks like it's already open. Brittany, why would you open the box already? Listen, I had a moment of weakness. I thought about opening this box. I really did. I was even on camera with my boyfriend Josh, and I was like, oh, I really want to see what's inside of it. And I started opening it, and I got to the inside of it, and there was a letter right here, and it said, please open first. And then I was like, oh my god, I can't open this right now. So I like put it back and I sat it to the side, and I haven't touched it since. So no, I don't know what's in the box. I don't know what the letter says, but we're gonna find out today. In the box, when you open it, we have that letter that I told you about that says, please open before we open this. But look at this. Oh, that's so cool. The Cyberpunk symbol. I really like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It says, hello, Brittany. You have been selected to receive a Rockstar Energy Cyberpunk 2077 exclusive kit. This kit includes special edition collector cans on the bottom layer featuring our new limited time flavor, Samurai Cola. Additionally, enjoy Cyberpunk 2077 exclusive collaboration gear that your fans can have a chance to win every day. Ooh, okay. You can learn more about how to enter with your can codes, unlock digital rewards, and score the chance to take home a 1970 custom Mustang inspired by the in-game car. Oh wow, that is interesting. You could win yourself a Mustang. Please feature this special unboxing on your social feeds, sharing your exclusive first look with your fans. We appreciate your support and good luck with your followers. Oh, that's cool. That's nice. Thank you, Rockstar. Thank you, Cyberpunk. I appreciate this. Now, let's get into the box. How do I get it out though? Do I flop it out? I don't want to break anything. I'll do it this way. And then we'll slide it on up. Put that there. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is so cool looking. Look at this. Rockstar Energy Drink Cyberpunk. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep this box and like keep it on display. Okay, so which way does this open? Don't know. Are you ready for this? Oh my god! Oh, this is so cool! What? Oh wow. That is pretty sick, man. Got a goodie here for a whoa guys, look at the back of it. Oh, this is sweet. Oh, Rockstar Samurai. I'm gonna have to put this on before the video ends. A hat as well that has the symbol on it. It's a little too big, I think. Nope, nope, it's perfect. This. Oh my gosh. That looks so cool. I'm not gonna drink these ever. You know why? Because they're just gonna stay in there and look beautiful on my shelves. Let's take these out and look at them. These are really cool. It's that, what does it say? 2077 Rockstar Energy. Oh. Yeah, look at these. That's cool. They have all the different characters on here. Huh. Look at that one. That one's got all those crazy faces on there too. This is cool. That one as well. I'm gonna go switch into that hoodie and see what it looks like, and I'll be right back. Okay, I can officially say that it looks pretty sick, I would say, right? Right? Look at the back. I am like living for this. How do people wear it like that? Don't they normally wear it like this? Wait, hold on. Let me put the hoodie up. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got too much hair. Oh. I look like a cholo or something, yo. This is pretty sick. Oh. Well, anyways, that's the unboxing video for this. A huge thank you to Rockstar Energy for sending this. This is freaking sweet. You guys did an amazing job. Whoever designed this packaging and designed this stuff, A+ quality. A+ quality. You blew my mind away. Also, a big shout out to everyone that has been following me and giving me support. I absolutely appreciate it. It motivates me to want to get on here and start posting more videos for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully I will see you guys more actually in 2021, because 2020 is almost over, thank God. But as always, I love you guys. Thank you for being a part of the neighborhood, and I will catch you in the next video. Hey, say goodbye. Goodbye.